Sensei Kaufman here with another online class for you today. This one's going to be geared more towards our advanced students. However, anybody is welcome to join in on this workout. We're going to start out first with a little warm-up using a couple pieces of equipment. So I'm going to use one of our blockers here today, but you can use whatever you have at home to jump over. So a pillow, I don't know, anything else that you guys have. A pillow will probably work just fine. So you're just going to start on one side of the object and you're going to jump back and forth. Try to time yourself out, see how many you can do for 30 seconds. So I go back and forth as many times as I can for 30 seconds. Okay? Take about a 15-second rest break and then do another 30 seconds. Try to see if you can do 3 sets of that. Get your body nice and warmed up and then go through your stretch. Once you're done with your stretch, I will see you in a minute. So you can go ahead and pause the video here, do your stretch, and I'll see you when we get back. All right, it's good to see you back now. From here, let's go ahead and drop to our fighting stance, and we're going to start out with some hand combinations today. So the first hand combination that we're going to work on is going to be a 1-2 punch, hook punch, uppercut. Okay, so again, 1-2 punch, hook punch. Notice how I turn my elbow out, I'm hitting with my first two knuckles, and I roll up on the ball of my foot, lean down, uppercut. All right, one more time. 1-2 punch, hook punch, uppercut. Show you from a side view. 1-2 punch, hook punch, uppercut. All right, go ahead and do 10 reps of that off each side. The next thing that we're going to work on is going to be an inside knife hand to an outside knife hand. So we're going to go inside, up, outside. Again, inside, up, outside. From a side view, inside, up, outside. Again, inside, outside knife hand. All right, so go ahead and do 10 to 15 reps of that off of each side. The next one that we're going to work on is our hook punch, back fist, reverse punch. So 1, 2, 3. Hook. Right from there, throw your back fist, follow it up with your reverse punch. Side view, hook, back fist, reverse punch. Again, hook, back fist, reverse punch. Notice that on all of these combos, guys, I'm pulling my hand back up to my face. Okay, really, really important here. These are more fighting style combos. So we don't do the traditional chamber here. We do our pull back combative chamber or modern chamber from here. Okay, so go through those hand techniques. Now we're going to work on some kicking techniques. For the kicks today, again, we're going to use another piece of equipment I'm sure everybody's going to have at home. So this should make it a little bit easy for you. And that's going to be a chair. You can use a folding chair. You can use a dining room chair. You probably don't want to use a chair that has too high of a back on it because you're going to be having to kick over. So if you have a folding chair at home or maybe an outside chair or something like that, it's going to work best. You want something kind of with this lower back on it. Okay, so from here, we're going to start out. We're going to work on our side kick. Okay, coming down. So let's do 4 count side kicks on this. So it's going to be each, knee, san, and shi. Back down. Again, each, knee, san, and shi. Okay? You go through those 4 counts on your own. What I'd like for you to try to do, if you're able to, is on knee, when you're holding that kick locked out, see if you can hold it for whatever number rep you're on, see if you can hold out for that many seconds. So let's say that you're on number 3, see if you can hold that kick out for 3 seconds, and then pull it back and put it back down. Okay? After you've done about 5 or 6 reps of the 4 count kick, then I want you to just go through and do some fast side kicks. So just coming up, kick, right now, kick. Okay? Nice and fast over the chair. All right, so that's going to be our first kick that we're going to do using the chair. The next one that we're going to practice today is going to be a multi-kick, which is going to be hook kick, round kick. All right, so now remember on our hook kick, what's the difference between a hook kick and a side kick chamber, everyone? Nothing, right? So our side kick chamber is going to come up, which is also our hook kick chamber. Okay, from here, I'm going to throw a side kick kind of towards the corner of the chair, hook it around, and then extend my round kick out, pull back, and then place it back down. Okay, so it's going to be our hook kick, round kick combo. So again, I'm here, I come up, chamber, hook, round, and then back down, making sure that we're going over the chair the entire time. Okay, so we got our hook kick, round kick combination. All right, and again, I'm demonstrating on one side. I want you guys to be practicing both sides at home. To your left side, to your right side. You guys, this is your training at home. You can make this training as long as you want or as short as you want, okay? Obviously, the longer, the better, in my opinion, but if you decide that you're gonna do 10 reps of kicks over the chair, that's up to you. If you wanna do 5 reps, that's up to you, okay? But again, let's try to make our trainings fulfilling. Let's try to do something that we're actually benefiting from. So try not to be lazy when it comes to our training. You know, you're gonna have to kind of be self-motivating at home a little bit to get some good quality training. So, so the chair exercise is gonna be really, really good for that. Okay, so after we do the chair exercise, again, we're doing side kicks and hook round kicks. All right, then we're gonna finish up with a spinning kick. The spinning kick is going to be spinning hook kick. All right, so from this position, I'm in my fighting stance. I'm going to spin around, looking over my shoulder, chamber up, just like a side kick, and then hook that leg all the way around and pull it back. Okay, I'll show you one a little bit faster, and then all the way back down. But the key to these kicks, guys, is that when we spin, we chamber up into that side kick position, and then throw the hook kick around. All right, it's gonna be really, really important when we're practicing our techniques. Okay, so you guys are gonna throw that spinning hook kick. Again, let's try to do 10 reps off each side. If you are really advanced, let's say our brown belts and black belts in class that are really, really good, you wanna challenge yourself, do the spinning hook kicks over the chair. All right, and that you'll find that will really challenge you because it forces you to work on your chambers. Okay, guys, that's gonna pretty much do it for our lesson for today. Again, everybody work out really, really hard, and I hope to see everybody in class real soon. Skip, ready.